Question number 13. If x plus y plus z equal to 0, show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. 13. Consider x plus y plus z equal to 0. Transpose z to right side. Transpose means we can transfer. Here x plus y plus z equal to 0 is there, no? We can take it as a right side. This is the transpose. We can take this z this side. That is the transpose. Then x plus y equal to minus z. We can transpose z, no? Plus z is there. Then this becomes this side, means this equal to minus z. By cubing on both the sides. By cubing on both the sides. Okay. X plus y whole cube equal to minus z cube. Therefore, a cube, this is the form of a plus b cube. A plus b cube is x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into bracket x plus y equal to minus z cube. Okay. X cube plus y cube plus 3xy into bracket z. Why I will take this term as z? Because of, see here, x plus y equal to minus z. X plus y equal to minus z. Therefore, I will take x plus y as a minus z. This equal to minus z cube. Therefore, x plus y equal to minus z. Okay. X cube plus y cube plus into minus minus 3xyz. This equal to minus z cube. Okay. X cube plus y cube minus z cube is there. Then this becomes, this side means it is a plus z cube. Minus 3xyz is there. Then this becomes, this side means it is equal to plus 3xyz. Therefore, x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. Okay. Next. 14th. Without actually calculating the cubes, find the value of each of the following. First one, minus 12 cube plus 7 cube plus 5 cube. Without calculating the cubes, directly we find the value of the first one. Okay. 14. First one, minus 12 cube plus of 7 cube plus of 5 cube. Take a equal to minus 12, b equal to 7, c equal to 5. If we know that a plus b plus equal to 0, already we know that, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. Already we know that this. If a plus b plus c equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. We will solve question number 13. Okay. Therefore, a plus b plus c equal to minus 12 plus 7 plus 5. This equal to minus 12 plus 7 plus 5 12. 7 plus 5 12. This implies minus 12 plus 12 is a 0. minus 12 plus 12 is 0. Therefore a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. A cube is minus 12 cube plus b cube is 7 cube plus c cube is 5 cube. This equal to 3 into minus 12 into 7 into 5. This equal to 12 cube is 1728 minus 7 cube is 343 plus 5 cube is 125. This equal to plus into minus 12 3 is 36 into 35. 7 5 is 35. This equal to 36 35 is plus into minus 1260. Similarly, we can add these two and we got answer. Subtract from this one, we can got the answer 1260. Okay. Similarly, you can solve second one. 15. Give possible expressions for the length and breadth of each of the following rectangles in which their areas are given. Area 25a square minus 35a plus 12. Okay. 15. First one 25a square minus 35a plus 12. Already we know that the formula area of rectangle equal to length into breadth. Okay. 25a square minus 35a plus 12. First we can factorize this term. Okay. 25a square minus 35 can be written as minus 15a minus 20a. Okay. See here. Minus 35a can be written as minus plus 20 plus 15 is 35a. Okay. We can factorize this term first. Okay. Now, okay. Plus 12. In these two terms, 5a is common. Take it as outside. 5 5 is 25. 1a outside, 1a keep inside. Okay. Plus into minus. 5 3 is 15. Okay. In these two terms, minus 4 is common. Take it as outside. 4 5 is 20. 5a. Minus into plus. 4 3 is 12. One term is 5a minus 3 and again one term is 5a minus 4. Therefore length equal to 5a minus 3. But must and should be you can write as a length equal to. Okay. Length equal to 5a minus 3 and breadth equal to 5a minus 4.